Hello, welcome back to my channel. If you've been here before, if you're new here, welcome. We are opening the iPhone 15 Pro Max. This little bad boy here was impossible to get. If you're from the UK, you know it's sold out and no one had it. I had to wait weeks for it to be delivered, but I finally got it, and it actually came sooner than I expected. So what I'm gonna do for you today is I'm gonna unbox this ASMR style because I actually love those videos. Then we'll get into the reasons I got this phone, all the accessories, because I bought a few cases. I wasn't sure what I wanted. I got a screen protector and then an extra 2-meter charger, because beside my bed for my Pro I have the 2-meter lightning cable. So I was like, okay, now that it's this USB-C, let me get the 2-meter USB-C. And I bought this before the iPhone 15 came out, so it was like a lot cheaper, and it's not like the new rope cable that they've been talking about.
Quit chasing and look for something better, but the smile that she shows makes me a go-getter. I haven't gone as far as asking if I could get with her. I just play love by ear and hope she gets the picture. I'm shooting for her heart, got my finger on the trigger. She can be my broad, and I can be her nigga, but quit chasing and look for something better, but the smile that she shows makes me a go-getter. I haven't gone as far as asking if I could get with her. I just play love by ear and hope she gets the picture. I'm shooting for her heart, got my finger on the trigger. She can be my broad, and I can be her nigga, but
Filming that ASMR was actually a lot harder than I thought, but we're here now. It's been transferred. I can see my old background from my old phone. Let me know if you want me to show you what my phone will look like, because I'm definitely going to change the settings and the layout and everything like that. It's a little phone, so that's the vibe I'm on. My watch is now asking me to pair with my new phone. Type in my password. So now that is gonna take its time. It's gonna, I guess, register. Let me customize my action button. So what am I going for? I know already I am a video girl, so I'm definitely gonna customize it for it to open up video by the press of a button. It asks me if I want to make it a camera one, but there's a drop down that shows you if it's photo, selfie, video, portrait, or portrait selfie, and I'm gonna click video. I just want to see the other options actually. Torch, voice memo, shortcut, accessibility. Okay, no, it's definitely camera. Camera, video, save. Welcome to your new iPhone. Yes! If it focuses on the phone, all my apps are now updating. This was my old layout. These blocks here right here, they were like Pinterest. I never keep these apps. I delete them straight away. I never use them. To other people it might be useful, but for me it's not. This was one of the backgrounds that I thought would look cool. Let me put it as my background now, because then you'll see how well it works with the case that I bought. Oh, that is disgusting. Maybe something like that. Oh, that's cool. What I am going to do is I'm going to put up the screen recording so you can see what I'm doing. I'm going to make this a wallpaper. Let's kind of edit how I would usually have my backgrounds. Maybe like a hint of like gold almost. That looks quite cool. And then widgets, I would normally put like the weather and a quote, but I don't think my quote app is on here yet. So maybe let's go for batteries, like that. Maybe I'll make the weather one bigger instead of having this one. I don't need to know any of that. That's wild. Let's see. Medication, state of mind, no. Clock, calendar. I don't use Apple calendars. I use Google calendars. If they had a Google calendar one, I would have used that straight away. Anything else I can have at the top? I think definitely keep the date. Let's keep it simple. Let's leave it as that. Uses a pair. I actually just realized in the left corner that you can see the logo, so I do want to change this. Customize. Screen. Yeah, let's make that a little bit bigger so you can't see the logo. But that is me. Let's take my do not disturb off. Okay, so the silent button's there now. It's in my control center. I was kind of worried about what that was, the screen mirroring. Something I don't usually have here. Yeah, I don't have notes here. I definitely need to change that. Okay, so now we have this background. I can stop screen recording for one. It's time to upgrade the phone. I bought 3 cases. Let me show you the one I'm definitely not keeping first. I thought it'd just be a little bit more, I thought this would be better quality, but I got it from Shein. All the cases I'm using, I got it from Shein, and I want to use that as an excuse, but it definitely isn't, because the other cases are much better quality than this. I think it's because it's got the mirror aspect that it just wasn't serving. Like, look how flimsy this is, and what I realized, it doesn't have the raised camera guard, I would call it. Like, it looks so poorly made on the inside. Oh. Anywho, I feel like if I drop this phone, it's just gonna smash the camera because it's still very raised, and I don't have money to replacing the camera, so this case is a no-go. Then I bought this one because I love texture. There's something about it for me. I thought the natural titanium was gonna come out a bit more beige, but it's actually very, very, very silver. I'm not mad at it, but it's just not what I expected. So I bought this beige case, but you can see the tone of the silver there, and I don't like it together, so that one's not gonna happen. Luckily for me, I'm into chrome right now, so I bought the chrome case, and this is what we got going on. This is much better. What I do realize is that it gets a bit musty, and you know when you've creamed your hands and you touch a surface and you can see the handprint, that's what's going on here. But other than that, it feels good in my hand. It feels a little bit bulky, but it's something I can get over. The action button's still something you can press here, as well as these buttons here. I would rather it be a raised action button actually, but you get what you're given when it's Shein, my love. And then the last thing is the screen protector. I haven't opened this because I wasn't sure if I was actually going to keep it. My thing is, with the iPhone 15 Pro, in comparison to my 12 Pro, by the way, the camera is like over here, and then you've also got that, whatever that is called. I forgot the name of it. And I didn't want to cover either of them. And all the iPhone 15 Pro Max covered the camera, and I don't want that. Like, I know for a fact it's going to affect my camera quality. So I bought this one because on the picture it showed that it wasn't going to cover the camera. Considering I bought this off of Amazon and it came next day, I'm disappointed. The price point I paid, it was like £10, and I know I can get cases, screen protectors for cheaper. And it actually, I don't know if you guys can tell, there's a gap for it, but it's not an actual gap. It's just more so like a lighter glass. Yeah, I don't want this because it's also a privacy screen, and I didn't care for a privacy screen. I just want clear. Yeah, this is going back. I am not using this, so I need to order another screen protector. And in this modern day, normally them screen protectors, they give you like the frame, and you like place it in the frame so it's perfect. Nothing at all. And then, like I mentioned before, I have this extra charger for behind my bed, and it's 2 meters long instead of 1 meter. Oh, it is the cable one, like the rope. Okay, so this is like the new material. It's the new material cable one. I thought, because they sell this. How do I explain this? Like I mentioned before, I bought this before the 15 Pro Max came out, and they also sold this cable for MacBook Pros. And every time I've bought this exact cable for my Mac, it's always been, I guess, the rubberized texture. But they switched it out, and they was like, cool. It feels a lot better. It feels sturdier. It's a lot thicker, I think, as well. You just gotta take my word for it. This is a lot thicker. So I'm hoping it's a faster powering charger as well. But thank you so much for watching my iPhone 15 Pro Max unboxing. I will give a review, or if you guys want, I'll show you what is on my iPhone when I upgrade my screen. If you want to see some more videos from me, subscribe, and I'll update you guys on my tech.